Toastmasters, does your club need a virtual guest packet? If the answer is yes, then I have the resource for you. I recently completed a level 4 project with a team of international Toastmasters from around the world. Our vision was to create an easy to use resource for any club to use in order to create a custom guest packet. It is a folder of resources. It's simple and streamlined, and you go in, there's instructions if you need them, and you can pick and choose what do you want in your club's guest packet. It's a do-it-yourself guest packet. I do hope that you enjoy it and find it useful. We kept in mind when creating this resource, what did we not know when we joined Toastmasters that we wish we had known? What did we want to know about it, and what would make us want to join? And that is what my team and I have cultivated with our shared folder of do-it-yourself guest packets. Please enjoy and share with anyone in any club that you think might need such a resource. I am a globe-trotting Toastmaster, and I hope to see you around. Thank you.